mọ́tò tuntun just because wọ́n support Mr. Loba. Ní side títí wa yìí, àwa tá ń sọ òótọ́ àpò, wọ́n ní olóòótọ́ òkè ń pọ̀. Àwọn wo ló ń fún àwa lówó? Kò sí èèyàn kankan tó fún wa lówó, ṣé Wùnmí fún yín 1 naira rí? Kò sí èèyàn kankan tó ń fún àwa ní nǹkan kan torí olóòótọ́ là wá. So táwọn èèyàn kan bá sọ pé torí Tọ́lá ní ó fẹ́ cash out, tí mo bá fẹ́ cash out, màá máa support Jòsí láti ilẹ̀, màá ti kọ́lé gan. Màá máa pa irọ́ mọ́rọ́. But kí ni mo fẹ́, wọ́n ní irọ́ tí wọ́n bá, ilé tí wọ́n bá fi irọ́ mọ, ó máa wó náà, tí wọ́n bá fi tọ́ mọ, ìrì ló máa wó. Ṣé ti understand? Ẹ wo bí Kudi ṣe ń ṣe bẹ̀ yẹn náà. Kudi ìwọ ló gbé ọba wá, ó yá, ó tún ya sáré kúrò ńbẹ̀. Ìwọ ló kọ́kọ́ gbé CCTV, fake CCTV wá. Irọ́ yìí náà ni the name of analyzing. Ṣé ti understand? Okay, sit down, ask yourself, you saw Eje. You did not discuss with anybody. Then you took this boy from that house from 9 o'clock lálẹ́. Where did you take the body? Láti aago 9 alẹ́ di aago 12 tẹ́ fi sin torí pé Mohbad ò padà lọlé láti aago 9 tẹ́ ti gbé kúrò lé. Where did you take that boy? Tó bá jẹ́ Wùnmí ló gbé irú òkú yẹn kúrò lé. Gbogbo yín máa sọ pé ó lọ lo nǹkan lára ẹ̀ nínà. How come you did not see what is bad in living? You left a guy, for a family man, tó níyàwó tó lọ́mọ nílé. You left him in a van all night. You can't even treat Aja, your cat, like that. Your puppy, like that. You disrespected the body last day one. Because you were hungry. Because you were hungry for the fact that Baba Mohbad went upstairs to look for that jewelry. He couldn't find it. Baba Mohbad was unsettled. Oh, what better misbehave. He refused to listen to everybody in the house. The 100 people you met in the house were talking to you. You refused to listen to them. The lawyer was talking to you. You refused to listen to them. Oh, gbogbo tó wà interested in ni pé eko godu, eko ogunwa. How can a man, a sane man, how can you meet your son on the floor? Ní ọkùnrin tó sì wà, tó sì dúró, tó sì ṣe kọrin ní jẹta, tó sì dúró, tí nǹkan kan ò ṣe. Tí o ti pé ó wà lórí end of life kini. You met that boy ní ilẹ̀ ńlẹ̀. All you could think about was ẹ bá wa kó lawyer ẹjọ́ níbo ni Mohbad ra lẹ̀ sí. Ẹjọ́ lawyer níbo ni Mohbad nílé sí. Ní ọmọ ògidì pa odindi ọmọkùnrin tó ní ọmọ tó ní àwọn ọmọkùnrin tó ń bọ́ gbogbo family. Kí bàbá yẹn jẹ́ conductor gan, èèyàn ò gbọ́dọ̀ tìtẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé understand? Ó wá gbé ọmọkùnrin yẹn lọ kúrò ní ilé. Ó gbé kúrò. Gbogbo ìwà èmi ni mo ní, kò sẹ́ni tó lè bá mi sọ. It is what they are saying right now ní camp wọn. This is what he's been doing for a very long time. Look at him. Kí bàbá ọkọ kó tó lè máa gbé girlfriend wá sílé ìyàwó ọmọ ẹ̀. Tell me, what kind of a man ni Jòsí jẹ́? The boy is my son. Ilé ọmọ mi ni, nǹkan tó bá wù mí ni mo lè ṣe. Ó gba agbára lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wọn. Ó wá shock ẹ pé àwọn èèyàn lè support Wùnmí. Because gbogbo bí ó ṣe ti ń bá wọn lò tẹ́lẹ̀, ó máa ń order Wùnmí, ó máa ń order Mohbad ni. Ó máa ń control Wùnmí, ó máa ń control Mohbad ni. Ẹ ti understand? Ọkùnrin ẹ tẹ́ bá ẹ ní láti mọ Wùnmí o, ẹ dẹ̀ ní láti mọ Mohbad. Tí ẹ bá rí bí Jòsí ṣe ń ṣe, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé ẹni tó máa ń control ni. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, nígbà tí mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ bàbá Mohbad kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin òun àti ìyá Mohbad, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ló sọ fún mi? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé wọ́n sọ fún mi pé àwọn rí pàtó pé ìyá Mohbad ṣe ṣìnà? No. Mo guess, mo suspect ni mo fi lé ìyàwó mi lọ. Mo kò suspect ìyàwó mi. Mo kàn rí yàn kan títí ó kò kí mi anyhow. Ìyàwó mi kí àwọn ọkùnrin kan, mo dìrò pé wọ́n bá sùn ni mo ṣe lé. That is nǹkan tí bàbá Mohbad sọ fẹ́ mi. Reason tẹ́ fi lé ìyàwó tó ní ọmọ 3 ni wípé nítorí pé mo rò pé wọ́n bá sùn. Kì í ṣe pé ẹmu red handed. The same thing tí wọ́n ṣe fún ìyá Mohbad yẹn, òun ni wọ́n ṣe fún Wùnmí lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ó ń lọ sọ́dọ̀ Naira Marley, gbogbo èèyàn ń bá sùn. Èèyàn kan wà, yàrá kan wà níwájú yàrá Naira Marley. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn máa ń bá sùn. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn máa ń bá sùn. Room yẹn ló máa ń wọ̀ lọ. A ṣe ń dómi fọmọ mi, wọ́n lọ bá sùn bẹ̀. After tí ẹ rí pé wọ́n lọ bá sùn bẹ̀ yẹn, after ìgbà yẹn lẹ tó wá ń bẹ ọmọ yẹn pé kó wá bímọ fọmọ yín. What kind of a father are you? Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yín kò ju ká jẹ. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀yìn àti Wùnmí ṣe ń rìn kiri ńgbà yẹn nítorí nǹkan tẹ́ ń rí gbà lẹ ṣe ń ṣe. ṣé ti understand nítorí nǹkan tẹ́ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ Wùnmí ẹni tó bá ti ń dúró tìyàn ní dúró pé jọ́ tí mo bá rí nǹkan gbà tí mo bá máa rí nǹkan gbà lọ́wọ́ lágbájá tó bá wá ti wá rí gbà tán wá dìjà gbogbo èrò ọkàn wọn ni pé bí mo ṣe ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ tí mo bá ọ̀dà Wùnmí báyìí kókó lọ ṣe DNA ó máa fò kó máa sáré lọ ṣe ni bọ́ Ọlọ́run tí ó máa fìyà jẹ yín tó máa gba nǹkan tẹ́ ti ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ yín bọ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́ òun ló jẹ́ kí àwọn public dá sí téèyàn bá sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣèkà fọmọnìkejì ẹ̀ nígbà míì èèyàn máa ń ṣera ẹ̀ láti bí oṣù mọ́kànlá nìsín kò sí justice mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ wá justice náà nǹkan tó wà very important nínú life yín òun lówó tó ń gbé GoFundMe yẹn tó wà ní GoFundMe yẹn ẹ ti ní plan oríṣiríṣi lé lórí àtowó tó wà ní Access Bank nítorí wípé ẹ ń wo ẹ sọ nínú interview yìí kan ẹ ní gbogbo ẹ wá wò mí báyìí gbogbo nǹkan tí Mohbad ò lè ṣe fún mi làwọn aráàlú ń ṣe because ẹ ever believe nínú Mohbad ṣé ti understand ẹ wá ń parọ́ mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ I asked him my son called me he said when my son said he had a baby I told him I said are you bringing the placenta he said yes when I called him he said ìyá ìyàwó ẹ̀ ti wá gbé lọ why did you kí ló tí ẹ nǹkan tó ṣàmà jẹ́ kẹ́ drag àwọn èèyàn láti support evil yín òun lẹ ń ṣe láwọn tó ń support yín àwọn míì ọkọ wọn ò kú ṣùgbọ́n ìbànújẹ́ wà nínú life wọn ẹ wo Bukky Jesse ẹjọ́ ṣó lọ́kọ rí láti jọ́tọ̀ ti bí no ẹ wo Detola Aduke 55 years old ẹjọ́ ṣó lọ́kọ láti jọ́tọ̀ ti bí sáyé Detola Aduke was born in America kò dùn yẹ́ àti bàbá ẹ̀ nínú rí Detola Aduke ò ríyàn pé rí pé excuse me can you be my girlfriend rí kò sí rí the same thing as Bukky Jesse look at Comfy life ṣé Comfy láyọ̀ ṣó lọ́kọ kò láyọ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀ kú ó fọmọ kan sílẹ̀ fún kò fi nǹkan kan sílẹ̀ fún ẹ wo Tenny Ológo ọkọ ẹ̀ kú ó fọmọ ọkàn tí ò sí nílé ọkọ bí ọkọ ẹ̀ ti kú tí ó dẹ̀ rí pé wọ́n fi à ń jọmọdé bóyá ó ti experience àwọn nǹkan báyẹn rí òun wa náà dúró tì ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin ẹ wá kóra yín jọ ẹ wá ń ṣe aburú ẹ wá ń ṣe aburú ẹ wá ń fi pé bóyá nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ń ṣe kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe wá ń ríran nísìn ẹ wo Crunchy Queen ó yẹ ṣe wá ń ríran nísìn fídíò tí mo cut lọ́jọ́ sí tó go viral tí Gistlover gbé tí mo cut tó ní pé tó bá rí Wùnmí wá strangle Wùnmí how would you do that wọ́n ní ìsìn lọ́jọ́ tèmi what are you saying you're saying different thing because ẹ kí n rorí dáadáa the same thing as Bukky Jesse ó bọ́ta ó wá bújò sí ó tún bọ́ta ẹ kàn ṣe bó ṣe wù yín because hatred wà nínú life yín hatred mo ìwà mi ò hate Josie tó bá pè mí lọ́la wà láì máa ṣì gbé tí ó bá pè mí lọ́la máa gbé èmi àti Alọ́ládé a máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Josie tẹ́ bá mọ̀ bí mo ṣe ń bẹ Josie pé kó stop kó fi gẹ́ yìí ilẹ̀ kó tó di pé mo ṣe ṣòfin Josie rárá tí máa bẹ̀ wọ́n gọ́tẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí gọ́tẹ̀ torí ẹ mọ̀ pé gọ́tẹ̀ ń ṣe kò ń ṣòótọ́ but àwọn tí ò mọ̀ yín níta bàbá ìfìyàjẹ bàbá ó fìyàjẹ bàbá wọ́n fìyàjẹ bàbá tó bímọ ẹ̀ tó raise ọmọ ẹ̀ single-handedly how do you raise your son single-handedly and you did not know anything about him? You said this boy was my friend, he was my second, he was my gbogbo ẹ̀. How come tí ọmọ yẹn ṣe nílé tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀, tó ṣe ralẹ̀ tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀, tó ṣe ní gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀, tó ṣe kọ́lé, tó ṣe ralé nílò òyìnbó tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀, tó ṣe ní gbogbo nǹkan láyé tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ nǹkan kan pa ẹ̀? And you came out with Liam, orúkọ Musilimu ni, Berekete was asking you pé, ta ló who name am Liam? You said, I don't know, no be my son o. Nígbà tí wọ́n project ẹ̀, ṣé ẹ̀ orúkọ ẹ̀ lára ẹ̀ ni? Ṣé àwọn tó ní placenta náà ló tún kọ orúkọ sí lára ni? You need to sit down and think. Like I said, you don't need to like Wunmi. Just put Wunmi aside and think. Wunmi cannot be perfect. Òun náà allow one mistake ẹ̀ kọ̀kọ̀kọ̀ tó ṣe. But kò ń ṣe pé kí èèyàn ẹ máa wá mú irọ́ ńláńlá kẹ́ máa gbé lọ́mọ lórí just because she will not come out and debunk what you're saying and you believe Baba Mohbad to the core. So what about Mohbad's friend? They are not coming out to say anything because they respect Mohbad. They respect Mohbad a lot. They didn't want to come out and say something against the father. Kò mí pé nǹkan tí bàbá yẹn sọ, all right. Where are the 100 people? Where are they? You went to your son's house, somebody was giving you 2,000 pounds, abi 2,000, 2 million naira, and said 2 million naira, Baba egba 2 million naira ye. Le bere question, she was sick, owo kini. Because of money. Everything you're doing from day one is money, money, money. You single-handedly raise your son. How can you raise your son? Mo lọ yáwó, mo fún lówó lápò. Ṣé Mohbad nìkan lẹ bí ni? Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ mẹ́sàn tó kù báwo lẹ ṣe raise wọn tó jẹ́ pé Mohbad lẹ ń yáwó lápò fún, òun lẹ ń yáwó korodomu fún, òun lẹ ń gba lóònù fún, òun lẹ ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ fún, òun lẹ ń kankóló fún. Àwọn tó kù báwo lẹ ṣe raise wọn? If you single-handedly raise Mohbad, báwo ni Mohbad ṣe wà ní gboro ní age of 14, 15 tó ti ń rìn káàkiri tó ti ń sùn títì? And people see you as the best father of the year. You are the best father of the year, and your children, your other children refuse to support you, support the nonsense you are doing on social media. And people cannot think. Charity begins at home. Ilé Latin keshorode. Nǹkan tó bá ṣe táwọn family ò bá support wàhálà ó ti fail, you are a failure. Ará àta tó bá support ẹ, ará àta tó jẹ́ evil bí titi ẹ ló máa support ẹ. Because your other kids have to be the number one. They have to be at the front. Láti support nǹkan tó ń ṣe if you are really doing the right thing. But because those people on social media, they're devils, they don't know what they're doing. That is why they are supporting you. There is no way you will be supported when your family refuses to support you. Wunmi oda, àdúrà ń gbèjà, ó ń gbèjà Mohbad àbí nítorí pé àdúrà wà nínú ilé. Òun àti ẹnu wọn àti Wunmi náà jọ pa Mohbad, wọ́n jọ lu Mohbad pa. Ẹ jọ ṣé Blessing náà tún wà nínú àwọn tó lu Mohbad pa. Ṣé Blessing ò lè bọ́ta? Bring the video, audio to Blessing to send this in to fi gbé yín ṣépè. How can your daughter be cursing on you and people are supporting you? Mo ń bèrè ni o. Ṣé ẹ ti rẹ́ni tó ń kẹ́ṣọ̀ láti ta tó ń kó lọ sílé rí? So if you say you don't know, mo yẹ ojú mi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ là ni. Ojú yóò là. Kì í ṣe pé ojú yín ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ là. Ìkà pọ̀ ọmọbìnrin, ẹ̀yin ọmọbìnrin ẹ̀yin ìyá yẹn ẹ kò jókòó dé tí mo pa àwọn ọkùnrin tó ń support bàbá Mohbad, àwọn ọkùnrin tó máa ń fìyà jẹ ìyàwó wọn nínú ilé, àwọn náà support Josie. Àwọn abímọ máa wo ọkùnrin, àwọn ni wọ́n support Josie. Most of them are supporting Josie to see the end of DNA so that they will go and use that against their wives at home. Very simple. So, so you now go to your wife and go and pin your wife's neck and say your wife must do DNA for you because you don't want to look after the children. Reference. So, and you come and say, but that boy is not Mohbad's son. 100% that boy is not Mohbad's son. So if they now do the DNA and that boy happen to be Mohbad's son, what will you do? Where will you put your face? Ni nǹkan tí ó kàn yín, tí ẹ mọ̀, kò kàn nínú ẹ̀. Ṣé bí Josie ṣe wà yẹn sọ fún yín pé òun mọ̀ pé Liam ló bí Mohbad? Ó mọ̀, but ó fẹ́ gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín. Bí Josie ṣe wà yẹn, ó mọ̀ pé Liam ọmọ Mohbad ni. But ó ní láti follow nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ because ẹ̀yin lẹ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ tó bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún yín pé kò ń ṣọmọ ọmọ Mohbad kọ́. Ọmọ Mohbad ni ní sanwó. Nítorí ẹ̀ ló ṣe ń dance to your tune. Not that he didn't know, he knows. Kọ́lọ́ máa fi àtijọ́ àti muyàn síbi tó lè ra àbí ojú kòkòrò tí nǹkan yàn bá ti tẹ́yàn lọ́rùn tí yàn bá ti wà contented tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ nǹkan tó bá wà lọ́wọ́ lágbájá ni mo fẹ́ kó di tèmi nǹkan tó bá wà lọ́wọ́ tàmẹ̀dù ni mo fẹ́ di tèmi wàláhì mo tún sọ kí wọ́n dá 100,000 pounds sínú GoFundMe yẹn problem tí Josie máa fi ṣe orí justice for Mohbad ní Josie máa ná gbogbo ẹ̀ sí orí justice for Mohbad òun lè máa ná gbogbo ẹ̀ sí. Nítorí ìwà ìkàlẹ̀ wèyàn kí ń ra tajà ẹ̀ẹ̀kún kó fi owó ẹ̀ kó fi ra nǹkan ẹ̀rín. Tó bá bí yín ní kọ́nà ẹ máa lọ́mọ yín ni. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó ń bá yín sọ pé on the 11 ni Mohbad kú ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹ̀bọ̀ síta kẹlẹ́ on the 12 ṣùgbọ́n tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín court ẹ ní 12 tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín police station ẹ ní 12 tẹ́ bá lórí social media ẹ máa ní 11 because you have to follow what they want. Nígbà tí lọ́yà yín bọ́ síta tó sọ fún yín pé òun ò rí stab wound lọ́rùn Mohbad gbogbo yín ẹ bínú just because irọ́ lẹ̀ ń wá ó yẹ kẹ́ jókòó kẹ́ analyse ẹ̀ how come tí wọ́n ṣe rí stab wound how come tí wọ́n ṣe níwọ̀n gún Mohbad tó tí lọ́yà yẹn ṣe sọ pé òun mọ̀ bí tẹ́ ti rí narrative burúkú Odùmọ̀ṣù ní òun mọ̀ bí tó ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ àti ṣẹ́kẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan lára ẹ o you ask Baba Mohbad till you won't bow alare, because you will not ask question. And if I could say otherwise. Nígbà tí lawyer yẹn sọ yẹn, ṣó yẹ kẹ́ bínú. Kò yẹ kẹ́ bínú, yẹ kí gbogbo yín jókòó kẹ́ analyze ẹ̀ ni. Kẹ́ wá yan àwọn èèyàn kan pé they have to go there and check. Kàn wá feed yín back if it's kẹ́ fojú yín rí. But you can't do that. You want to follow the lies so that you can have something to say on social media. So you can have something to discuss on social media. You don't like the truth. But because after 12 months, you call yourself justice team. You guys, you are unable to give us justice. It's a shame. And we that you are calling anti-justice, we don't have anything to worry about. And you tell me, what justice, what justice it? And anti-justice. Justice 11 months. For almost 12 months now. Kò sí nǹkankan pàtó tẹ́ máa sọ pé mú jáde ju pé ẹ pawó gbogbo yín lẹ pawó lẹ dolówó. That is all. If you fail to give somebody justice, how can you call yourself anti-justice team? Because when you call yourself justice team, me, I was, I've been waiting that you guys will give us the justice we have been looking for. Tá bá rí justice lọ́dọ̀ títí wa. Kẹ́ má ṣe tribute, gbogbo yín wá ń bínú. Tá bá sọ fún yín, as far as I'm concerned, Baba Mohbad was buried 11 months ago. The Mohbad in the morgue is government Mohbad, not Baba Mohbad's one. Reason why they asked him to go and get the court order, Koto autopsy here. Because that boy did not belong to Baba Mohbad. The boy belonged to the government and the public. His own Mohbad was buried 11 months ago. But ó fẹ́ control gbogbo ayé. If you listen to the voice note, tí ó wà lórí page mi tí mo play fún yín, Mohbad Wunmi, Mohbad gbé gbogbo ayé ẹ̀ léyàwó ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Báwo ni ó ṣe máa fọ́kọ tọ́kọ ò ní gbáyé èèyàn ayé ẹ̀ léyàn lọ́wọ́? Ṣé ẹ̀yin ni kí ìyàwó wà nínú ilé èèyàn kó wá gbáyé ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn lọ́wọ́ ni? Ìyàwó èèyàn léyàn máa ń ṣe bí Wunmi lẹ́ ń drag yìí. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ó gbé ayé ẹ̀ léyàn lọ́wọ́? Ìyàwó tí ó bá fẹ́ sílé léyàn máa ń gbé láìfẹ́ sí lọ́wọ́. Ìyàwó tí ó bá gbé sílé, òun ni ó máa ń gbé gbogbo ilé ayé ẹ̀ sí lọ́wọ́. Téèyàn bá fẹ́ ọkọ tí ò lè perform lórí bed, ṣé ẹ̀yin bá mẹ́ máa mọ̀ ni? Ṣé bí ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló máa mọ̀? Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ló máa mọ̀ now. Tí ó bá fẹ́ ọkọ tó bá ní problem kan, ìyàwó èèyàn ló máa mọ̀. Because it's the next person to him, not you. But ẹ fún èèyàn ní àgbò, ẹ jókun ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ẹ fún ọkọ àti ìyàwó fúnra wọn, ẹ wá dúró sí wọn lọ́rùn. Báwo ni Mohbad ṣe ní hypertension? Báwo ni èèyàn ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́rú ọmọ títí yín tó ní hypertension, ẹ sọ fún mi? Pẹ̀lú lifestyle yìí, báwo ni èèyàn ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ ọmọ yín tó ní hypertension? Because ní jẹ́ kí Mohbad gan sinmi. Ẹ máa wà lóòtẹ́, ìbọn ẹ máa jókòó sóòtẹ́, ẹ máa gbá ọmọ kékeré sóòtẹ́, ẹ máa pe Mohbad kó wá sanwó òtẹ́. Ẹ máa lọ sí beer parlour, ẹ máa fi ní kí gbogbo èèyàn gba ọtí sí ọrùn Mohbad. Owó tí ò ní, ẹ máa ní kó máa mú wá every time. Everything is about money. If anybody wants to know the true Joseph Aloba, block go for me. Can we read Joseph Aloba? Joseph Aloba is going to turn a speaker on this social media. He's going to turn a blogger. I am telling you. Joseph Aloba ma di blogger. To ma channel sila ode ni. Bo se wa yen. The part 2 of Justice for Mohbad is coming. How dare you? We will send you packing from this social media. We will pursue you, come up for this social media. We don't want part 2 of this nonsense you're doing. You left that boy for 15 hours in the van. We fun Mohbad. We fun Mohbad. Inú mọ́tò yẹn, let it perform gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ perform. Ibẹ̀ let it kan lọ́rùn, ibẹ̀ let it wọṣọ fún, ibẹ̀ let it gbé sínú pósí. Kí ló dé láì ṣájá? Ṣé Mohbad ò nílé ni? For the family ni. For the fact pé ẹ ṣerú yẹn fún ọmọkùnrin, ẹ gbé ọmọ yẹn kúrò nílé. Nígbà tẹ́ gbé lọ sí morgue yẹn tí wọ́n ní wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ yín, kí ló take yín láti gbé padà sílé? Pé kó lọ sùn sílé. Gbogbo yẹn ló fẹ́ kó kú wọn kan rest in peace na. Láti jọ́ tí Mohbad ti kú, ṣé Mohbad ti rest? Mohbad ò rest. Láti aago 9 tẹ́ ti gbé Mohbad kúrò ní Lekki, ní Mohbad ò ti rest dè nílé ni. Bẹ́ ṣe ṣaládàálẹ̀ ń ṣalóbẹ̀, bẹ́ ṣe kí ló ṣe fún yín tó le tó yẹn? mo understand pé Mohbad ti ṣẹ̀yìn nígbà tí Mohbad wà láyé ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ní forgiving spirit ẹ kì í forgive yàn láyé. Mohbad ti ṣẹ̀yìn àbí Mohbad ṣẹ̀yìn nítorí pé ó gbà yẹ ẹ padà òun lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí mo rí pé tí mo lè sọ pé Mohbad ṣẹ̀ àti ìgbà tí màmá ẹ̀ ti wọnú láìfẹ́ ló ti ṣẹ̀yìn tó ti ṣẹ̀yàwó yín. Ó gba màmá ẹ̀ padà ó jẹ́ ṣòro fún yín because ẹ sọ fún mi ẹni pé nígbà ayé náírà lẹ ṣe jẹ́ kí màmá ẹ̀ wọnú láìfẹ́. Ìyá Abọ́ládé ṣàlàyé gbogbo bẹ́ ṣe pàdé bí ìyá Mohbad ṣe wọnú láìfẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló sọ fún mi. Mi ò play ó wà recorded gbogbo bí náírà ṣe bẹ́ ṣe bí ìyá Mohbad ṣe wọnú láìfún Mohbad gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ ṣàlàyé fún mi. Ìyá Lọ́ládé wà ọkọ Lọ́ládé gbogbo nǹkan ló sọ fún mi gbogbo family yìí ni mo bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ṣẹ̀yìn nìyẹn nígbà tó gbé màmá ẹ̀ sọ fún màmá ẹ̀ wọ́n ní pé màmá ẹ̀ wá ń gbowó màmá ẹ̀ ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ Mohbad dẹ̀ fẹ́ ẹni gbogbo nǹkan tó bá máa fún màmá ẹ̀ kó máa fún yín kẹ́ máa fún màmá ẹ̀. Ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ padà wá sínú láìfù ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Àtìgbà yẹn ni problem ti dé nítorí ẹ̀ ni ò ṣe ṣọ́ọ̀kì yín nígbà tó ní Mohbad kú because ẹ kò ṣọ́ọ̀kì yín. Next thing tẹ́ máa sọ ikú owó ló pa kí ni ìtumọ̀ ikú owó ló pa nígbà tẹ́ grant interview kí lẹ sọ ẹni pé wọ́n gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù 5 fún ìyá ẹ̀ ó gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹni tí ò fi 500,000 ṣòwò rí wọ́n gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù fún wọn mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run tí mò ń sí òkè ṣọba ẹ̀ka owó òun wá dàbà ẹ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀bù owó tó lóun ó fẹ́ fún ní 5 million ẹjọ́ sórí 5 million òun náà gbà kí ló dé àwọn máa sọ pé 10 years àná sí mọ́mì kíní kan àná sí mọ́mì ṣé nígbà tí màmá Mohbad fi yín sílẹ̀ ṣé kò lóun fẹ́ tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ̀yin lẹ jẹ́ kó tọ́jú ọmọ. Ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín tẹ̀wọ̀n àbí tó bá yẹ pé wùn mí tó bá yẹ pé jòsí ló bí Liam fún ẹjọ́ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gbógun tì yẹn kò tí ní fi Liam gọ́lẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹ jẹ́ yàn kan tó máa ń gbógun tì yàn tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ yàn tẹ́ bá gbógun tì yàn tán obìnrin yá sọ pé jẹ́ kí n sàsálà fẹ́ mímì ná kí n fọmọ yìí lẹ̀. Kò sí ní ìgbà tí ìyá Mohbad you told me yourself o nígbà tí ìyá Mohbad ó wà recorded you say nígbà tí ìyá Mohbad fi Mohbad sílẹ̀ tó fọmọ yẹn sílẹ̀ ẹ ló mú àdúrà lọ ẹ tún wá fún blessing lówó lọ́jọ́ kan ẹ wá ní kó lọ tan àdúrà padà wá what do you want? Ìyá Mohbad kúrò nílé yín ó lọ sílé ọkọ mi jẹ́ kó sinmi nílé ọkọ yẹn náà o ẹ̀yin lẹ́lẹ́ kúrò nílé ọkọ tó wà tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kó gbádùn bẹ́ẹ̀ irú ọkùnrin wo gangan ni yín? He left you for another man ọkọ yẹn gan jẹ́ kó nísinmi àfìgbà tó tún padà wá sínú láìfọ ọmọ ẹ̀ gbà tó tún wá padà wá sínú láìfọ ọmọ ẹ̀ náà ẹ tún wá fẹ́ máa bá yà níyà sùn ẹ ń tàn ìyá oníyà nítorí pé ìyá yẹn ń respect yín ó ní ìbẹ̀rù fún yín nítorí pé Christian home ló ti wá. Àwọn born again home ni ìyá Mohbad ti wá ẹ̀yin lẹ bá ìrìn àjò ìyá Mohbad jẹ́ ìrìn àjò ìyá Mohbad Mr. Loba ẹ̀yin lẹ da ìrìn àjò wọn rú. Ìyá Mohbad nínú gbogbo ẹbí àwọn kò sẹ́ni tó fọkọ méjì rí ẹ̀yin lè ba ìrìn àjò wọn jẹ́ ẹ suspect ẹ lè dànù tí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ní proof fún ẹ fẹ́ yàwó kejì o the same thing lẹ ṣe o eléyìí tó tún lọ tó bímọ 3 ẹ tún gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ yẹn náà o ṣé ìyá Mohbad nìkan lẹ gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ àwọn tó bímọ fún yín gbogbo wọn lẹ gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ tẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ lówó tẹ́ fẹ́ fi tọ́ wọn gbogbo àwọn ọmọ pátápátá tẹ́ ẹ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn òbí wọn lọ́wọ́ ìyá wọn gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ bayé wọn jẹ́ nítorí pé you don't have a job to look after them and you don't want their mother to take care of them. Kí lẹ ń gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ obìnrin fún nígbà tẹ́ ẹ níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́? Kí lẹ ń gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ obìnrin fún? Ẹ take advantage obìnrin yẹn títí ẹ jẹ́ kó obìnrin yẹn wà confused pé kò sí nǹkan kí lòun fẹ́ ṣe. I am telling you. Gbogbo ilé olóògùn lẹ́yìn àti ìyá Lọ́ládé máa ń lọ kiri. Àwọn èèyàn tó ń pè yín ní pásítọ̀ lọ ọmọ yín. Gbogbo ilé olóògùn tó ti ṣáájò ẹ̀yin àti ìyá Lọ́ládé tẹ́ máa ń lọ kiri Mr. Loba. Tó gbolé alájò. Kò sí nǹkan tó ń sọ fún yín nípa Mohbad àbí mo parọ́. Ẹ rántí pé ìyá Mohbad náà sọ pé ibi tẹ́ lọ ẹ̀yin àti ìyá Lọ́ládé wọ́n ní kẹ́ lọ máa ṣọ́ Mohbad wá òun ò dẹ̀ máa ṣọ́ yẹn fún yín òun ní fẹ́ kẹ́ bá yé ọmọ òun jẹ́ because ẹ̀ ń tójú bolé olóògùn. Who is ìyá Lọ́ládé in your life? Your girlfriend. Ìyá Lọ́ládé ò lọ́kọ. Ọkọ ìyá Lọ́ládé ti kú ẹ wá ń tẹ̀lé ìyá Lọ́ládé wá wọnú láìfù yín ẹ wá jọ rìn káàkiri ilé olóògùn. the same problem tí Ìyálọ́ládé tó ń bá yín jà tó ń bá yín bá ilé yín jẹ́ the same problem òun ni Lọ́ládé gan ni. Lọ́ládé fúnra rẹ̀ òun àtọkọ ẹ̀ èmi àtọkọ ẹ̀ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ even lẹ́yìn tí mo ti tẹ̀ sí yín lójú dáadáa tán èmi àtọkọ ẹ̀ sì sọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀ sì pè mí. ṣé mi mọ problem tó wà nínú life Lọ́ládé ni ẹ rí mi kí wọ́n sọ́rí ni. ṣùgbọ́n ìyá Lọ́ládé yẹn ló ń bẹ̀yìn ba gbogbo ẹbí títí yín jẹ́. nígbà tí ọmọ yín kú ẹ̀yin àti ìyá Lọ́ládé mo béèrè mo níṣẹ́ ń dé tí wọ́n náà láwọn ò fẹ́ yín ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ọ̀wẹ́ kẹtẹjọ ń dá yẹn ó pọ̀ náà. mo ṣe fídíò kọ̀ pẹ̀lú yín mo rí yín tí ìyá Lọ́ládé rorò mọ́ àyà mo dẹ̀ rí tẹ́jókòó sórí bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń gbára yín dì í ṣé mo máa rò pé kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe mo dẹ̀ ń wò bá kí ni ẹ fẹ́ ra yín kẹ̀ báwo lẹ ṣe wá ń ṣe fídíò kọ̀ lèmi àti yín fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìyá Lọ́ládé àti ìyẹn àtẹ̀yìn ṣé mi ní fọ́tò ìyá Lọ́ládé lọ́wọ́ ni àbí mi ní fọ́tò Lọ́lá mo ní fọ́tò ọkọ Lọ́ládé lọ́wọ́ mo ní fọ́tò gbogbo yín but I don't do that. In fact ìyàwó inú ilé yín mo ní fọ́tò ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Torí yín téèyàn máa ń ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe irú ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣe yàmàyàmà yín sìn èèyàn ò lè máa ṣe ìwà tẹ́yìn wù tá sọ pé kò dáa káwa náà tún máa wù kò make sense. Ṣé Lọ́ládé ní bùjókòó ni problem everyday ni òun àtọkọ ẹ̀ náà problem ni náà. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́yìn sọ pé Wùnmí ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni Lọ́ládé àtọkọ ẹ̀ ń ṣe everyday náà. Mo ti wà lórí fóònù rí tí Lọ́ládé fẹ́ kó jáde ńlé náà tó yẹ pé mo wà lórí fóònù pẹ̀lú wọn mo ń parí ìjà kí ni nǹkan tẹ́yìn ń sọ tẹ́yìn wá jẹ́ kí ìyá Lọ́ládé máa bá láì ti tẹ̀yìn jẹ́ nítorí pé ìyá yẹn ò sí ńlé ó fẹ́ ọmọ ilẹ̀ wá padà dé ẹ wá gbàgbára lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ̀yìn àti ìyá Lọ́ládé wá ń kọ̀ǹtró ẹ̀ nǹkan tẹ́yìn ṣe nìyẹn náà ẹ̀yìn àti ìyá Lọ́ládé ẹ wá ń kọ̀ǹtró ìyá Mohbad ẹ yí wọn sí bí ẹ mú lọ sí ẹ lọlé ológun kiri ṣé ẹjọ mú Mohbad gan lọlé ológun ni ẹjọ mú Mohbad lọlé ológun gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá fún Mohbad ò kí ń gbà lò lọ́wọ́ yín àná òun ò gbà òun ò fẹ́ àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ rí yín wọ́n pè yín ní pásítọ̀ nígbà tẹ́ lọ sí ibi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ground ibi tó ń sin bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn sí kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ń bẹ̀ ẹ wá sọ nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ń bẹ̀ gbogbo ayé ló fojú rí pé Wùnmí fi aṣọ funfun síbẹ̀ àdó tó wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn báwo ta ló bá nìyẹn ṣe wá débẹ̀ báwo làdó ṣe débẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ mú kápẹ́ńtà lọ àbí kí ló pè bricklayer lọ nígbà tí wọ́n sin Mohbad tán ẹ̀yin lẹ ń ju nǹkan tó wù yín síbẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ kòkúta sí ẹ̀yin lẹ ń rẹpa ẹ wà ń bẹ̀ o torí Ìyá Lọ́ládé sọ fẹ́ mi o pé wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin àti Ìyá Lọ́ládé dẹ̀ lẹ last lẹ gbẹ̀yìn síbẹ̀ àti bricklayer kí ni interest yín tí ẹ fi ń gbawájú tẹ̀ ń gbẹ̀yìn lórí òkú Mohbad kí ni interest yín wọ́n ní màjèsé kò kí n tojú òbí ẹ̀ wọlẹ̀ kò kí n tojú òbí ẹ̀ wọlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ gbé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ẹ wẹ̀ fún ẹ sọ pé ẹ tójú bá rí ibi ṣẹ́yìn ti rí ibi tí wọ́n ti ń gbé ọmọ even kó jẹ́ mùsùlùmí wọ́n á sì wẹ̀ fún ẹ wẹ̀ fún ẹ ṣe kankan ẹ treat bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ní àwọ̀ ẹ wá ra pósí ẹ wá ń kọrùn ẹ síbẹ̀ ẹ ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó wù yín sínú pósí ẹ gbé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn síbẹ̀ bó ṣe wù yín tó bá jẹ́ pé bàbá abúlé bàbá baálẹ̀ yẹn tó bá jẹ́ pé bàbá yẹn gbà kẹ́ ẹ sin Mohbad lóru wàhálà ẹ̀ ní faṣọ sin Mohbad ìhòòhò lẹ́ máa ju sínú kòtò tẹ́ máa padà tẹ́ máa lọ lẹ́yìn because torí ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe sọ bàbá Mohbad ẹ bọ́ síta kẹ́ wá sọ fún wa àwọn tó ràn yín pé kẹ́ lọ sin Mohbad pé all close must settled ṣe rí all close settled òkú òkè ń bálàyè rojọ́ it has something to do with bàbá Mohbad ó dìgbà tẹ́ bá tú àṣírí yẹn all station close àbí settle yẹn ṣé wọ́n ti gbé sí àwọn tó fún yín lówó yẹn tó ní pé Mohbad gbọ́dọ̀ wọlẹ̀ pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ no going back pé òkú òkè ń bálàyè rojọ́ wọ́n ti gbé sí pé wọ́n tètè lọ gbé sí pé kẹ́ tètè lọ sí àwọn yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ bọ́ síta kẹ́ wá ṣàlàyé fún wa reason there's a reason behind that o ṣe rí bẹ́ ṣe sáré kiri tẹ́ ẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ sáwọn èèyàn lẹ́nu tí ẹ̀ lè gbé Mohbad padà sílé tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ lọ gbé sí tipátipá tẹ́ fẹ́ sí lóru yẹn reason wà behind it ẹ ó dìgbà tẹ́ bá bọ́ síta Èkó kò ní sùn ìlú kò ní sùn tẹ́ bá lọ sí Mohbad tẹ́ bá wá tú àṣírí àwọn tó rán yín pé kẹ́ lọ sí Mohbad kò ń ṣe pé ìjọta bá rí binibi láti kó fún yín báyìí ó ti papòdà nìyẹn because ọmọ ti pọ̀ ju ẹ̀dẹ̀ níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ti pọ̀ ju ẹ̀ níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ so ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ rí ẹni tí ó lè fara nù for the fact pé ìyá Wùnmí bara ilẹ̀ ó bara kan ó bara kejì ó bá jẹ́ pé mẹ́wàá ló bara it's a shame shame on you. Prime Boy sọ̀rọ̀ kan few days ago ó ní bàbá Mohbad kí ni kan tẹ́ ń ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ó ní I was in Mohbad father ó ní I was in Mohbad's life ó ní I was there in Mohbad's life I was there when you were not there ó ní I was in Mohbad's life like a father even when you were not there bó ṣe sọ nìyẹn where were you níbo lẹ wà nígbà tí Prime Boy ń ṣe bàbá fún Mohbad tó lóun ṣe bàbá fún Mohbad níbo lẹ̀yin wà níbo lẹ wà sí anywhere níbo báwo ni Mohbad ṣe dẹni tó ń sun títì he raised his son single-handedly raised his son. How did you raise your son? How did you raise Mohbad? Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé obìnrin kan sí kejì obìnrin ni every time. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbéyàwó oríṣiríṣi báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ raise ọmọ. So if you're not a pastor, what will you be doing? Because people call you a pastor that have children with 4 women. So tell me, so if you're not a pastor, kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe obìnrin mélòó ló máa bímọ fún yín? You're just 56 years old. You're still very young. Very, very young. The people that are fighting for you or supporting you, whatever, they're supposed to get you a job. 56 old man in the family won, and they now turn you to a 75 years old man. Baba must enjoy. Baba must enjoy. How could you enjoy? You failed Mohbad. If you now say Wunmi ló fail Mohbad, if you don't be your ṣe pé gbà lọ ṣe ń pè. Tẹ́ bá fi pé Wunmi ló ṣe nǹkan so. Only charity begins at home. Whatever you do to your children is what other people will do to them. If you treat your children anyhow, other people will treat them anyhow. Tí Wunmi bá ní God láti máa treat Mohbad, ilé ọ̀dọ̀ yín ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Tí ẹ bá bímọ yín tí ẹ kì í máa treat ọmọ yín, nobody will dare maltreat your son. When Wunmi met Mohbad, Wunmi àti Mohbad, they all ríra wọn bí crying shoulder. They were there for each other. You were not there in Mohbad's life. You were not there. Bí mama Mohbad ò ṣe síbẹ̀ lẹ́yìn náà ò ṣe síbẹ̀. Single father tó gbọ́mọ mẹ́ta dání tó dẹ̀ tún níyàwó bí mẹ́ta. How do you do it? How will you look after them? Do you have a job? No. Ṣé ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ ní local government ni? No. Ṣé ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ ní state ni? No. You don't have a job. Ẹ kan kóló ẹ dẹ̀ bímọ rẹpẹtẹ. Tí justice for Mohbad yìí bá tán sí, you will marry another wife again because that is what they're planning for you. You will go for another woman. Gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé justice for Mohbad, gbogbo wọn ló ti máa send the whole thing because you are a flirt man. You are not responsible. You are not a responsible father. Ẹ wo fídíò tẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú Wunmi. Tẹ́ ń play orin ẹ wo bẹ́ ṣe ń yọ àwọn síta. What a crazy father. Àfi bẹ́ẹ̀ nípa wo ní bàbá nínú ilé. Ẹ wo bẹ́ ṣe ń yọ àwọn síta lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ girlfriend ọmọ yín. Wọ́n ní lọ́jọ́ kó mọ gan wọ́n ní gbogbo girlfriend ilẹ̀ ti toast tán gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Wunmi gbogbo wọn lẹ́ ń toast. You can't do without women. And people will be, Baba is irresponsible, the best father of the year. If Baba is the best father of the year, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tí Baba jẹ́ worst father of the year fún àdúrà, tó jẹ́ worst father of the year fún blessing, fún àwọn ọmọ tó bí wọ́n ní worst father ni Josi, ẹ̀yin wèrè tẹ́ wà ń tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ́rí, best father of the year. You cannot be the best father of the year níta. You said Lápá má ṣiṣẹ́. Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ rí pé ó torí ẹ̀ bàbá Mohbad ṣe fẹ́ di pastor by all means? Were you a pastor when Mohbad was alive? akọrin lásán ní àwọn akọrin. Ṣé ẹ ti ṣe record rí nígbà tí Mohbad wà láyé? You never. Have you been to studio before? No. You started doing everything you were not doing when Mohbad passed away. Because you see some devils supporting you to do nonsense. They cannot tell you the truth because they want women down by all means. Pepper them. Ẹni tó bá ti jókòó tó bá ti sọ pé mo máa pepper, mo ń ṣe ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń pè. Ẹni tó bá ń ṣe ọ̀tẹ̀ ní lè sòótọ́. Ẹni tó bá ń ṣe ọ̀tẹ̀ lẹ́ ń ṣe. A fẹ́ pepper Wùnmí, ẹ ra mọ́tò sí nídìí. Àwa máa play orin Mohbad, a máa ju orí, a máa gbádùn. A máa play orin Mohbad, kéèyàn máa play orin ọmọ ẹ̀ tó kú, kó dẹ̀ máa fi cruise. Mi tí ìrírú ẹ̀rí láyé mi. Kẹ́ máa play orin ọmọ tó kú ní 26 years old, kẹ́ máa fi cruise nínú mọ́tò. Ẹ ti sick sir. Ọlọ́run gbọ́. Mi ò tí ìrírú ẹ̀rí láyé mi. Ẹ wá lọ gbé gate sí ibi kan, ẹni kíní nu kan sísìn. Nígbà tí wọ́n sin Mohbad, celebrity mi ò lè rí ń bẹ̀. Ta lẹni tó fẹ́ lọ wọ orí boat? Wò yìí pé ẹ máa tẹ́sẹ̀. She can play the game better. Two can play the game, but you come and play jura wọn lọ. Ẹ máa ṣẹ̀sín sẹ́, àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń support ẹ̀, ẹ máa ṣẹ̀sín. Ẹ wá ń pariwo, ẹ pa Mohbad, ṣé ẹ rí Fálànà bí ẹni tó gọ̀ ni? Ṣé ẹ rí bàbá yẹn bí ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ ò pé? Tí Wùnmí á pa Mohbad á dẹ̀ máa support Wùnmí. You cannot think. Wọ́n gún lọ́bẹ ni o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nígbà tí lọ́ọ̀yà yín dẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n gún lọ́bẹ, ṣé kò tí tó kẹgbẹ́nu wọ́n gún lọ́bẹ dákẹ́? Tí irin máa bẹ́ẹ̀ dìrì, tí ọpọlọ ẹ̀ ò dẹ̀ ní jásílẹ̀. Èmi ò tí ì ríru ti yín rí.
Say that Iyabo Ojo has a personal vendetta against Mohbad because we heard that Iyabo Ojo tried to hook up Mohbad to her daughter. So now we can say Iyabo Ojo also has a personal vendetta against Mohbad, and that's why he's trying to I mean, the least we go, we grow. The least we grow that way. But that's why I was asking you if I don't know. I'm not technology savvy at all. But that's why I'm asking if the result is correct, and you are saying, okay, the intent, because he has a personal vendetta, that's why he did that. That's a different ball game. That's a different ball game. Because even me, Tim Wunmi accused me of having personal vendetta to Wunmi that I never met, or personal interest. What could be my interest in this case? Look at from heaven back. Think, what could be my interest? I don't want a political office.
Supreme, this is what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
We should always apply the principle of understanding. All right, because we all know very well in every organization there are particular principles that you apply to see that you attain that objective. But when you don't understand those principles, will you apply it? Yes, you will. But when you are trying to solve a crime, a murder case, there are sometimes you can break protocols. Let me put it this way. Do you work with something you don't understand? Will I? Yes. Me, I will not. Because I want to always be in control of what I'm doing. Applying something you don't understand just means that you're trying your luck, probability. But VDM understands what he's working with. No. From what he gave us, he is just accusing. Number one. No. You should not be here. You are not in his head. For someone to go to the extent, okay? I don't know. I'm not. Let me always put this disclaimer. I'm not technology savvy. Okay, can you say for DVM to say, if you think I have defamed you or I am accusing you wrongly, come sue me. To me, that statement to me means he knows exactly what he's talking about. Okay, let me say this, Supreme, for the fact that he mentioned that particular device that was used to open those two accounts belongs to Iyabo Ojo. Was there any evidence that he presented that you saw and you verified that the particular device that was linked to that IP was Iyabo Ojo's own?
I cannot see and verify. It's none of my business. That's why I'm asking
Then
you.
why
I'm only. That's why I'm asking you that. It's his result. I don't know.
Top movie. Throw that question to VDM. She is not VDM.
I'm not VDM. I'm not VDM.
Putting it out there to the public to digest and use, which is what I am kicking against.
No, he did not put it out there for the public to digest and use. He said
that is what he's doing now. That is what he's doing.
No. He said, I am willing and ready to work with the police. He didn't say
if he's actually saying that and he meant it, he should
this information. Go and work with the police. No, he didn't say that. No.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Amen. Are you there? Did you by any chance see the video of Very Dark Man talking about IP address and everything with Iyabo?
Yeah.
Okay, do you think that there was anything that he did there that was unlawful?
What VDM did? I think since it is strictly with respect to IP address, it's not unlawful. Anyone can check the IP address of any other person. That doesn't really require hacking into the privacy.
To the content of the phone, right?
So
yes,
yeah. So there's no issue of invasion of privacy there. He just conducted an investigation that doesn't go deep into
like now VDM came out that this and this could help us solve this crime. You guys are out again cursing him. What do you people want?
Yeah, that's why they're always cursing me.
They're
always cursing me. What is our interest? Somebody that cannot buy wig of $200.
Sniper, listen. Yesterday we had a conversation, and I said if you are having a conversation with me, refer to me in person.
Sorry, I beg. Sorry. Apologize. Sorry.
Amen. This is what I said. I said IP address is a public information. That is not a crime. All right. What I emphasized on was the way he's using that information. That is where I said it's an illegal act. The way he's using the information. Now, the usage and the intent of the information, which is public, that is not illegal, is what I'm talking about. I'm not saying that the IP address in particular is a crime. No, it's a public property. But the way he's using
fine,
it,
thank you. Amen, please wait. Top movie, please wait. Amen, please wait.
Let me ask.
You have said that many times.
Let me not ask him this question.
Let me just give a very simple answer, right? Top movie. The answer is this.
They have a particular source of internet. You connect with your phone, and I connect with my phone. I open my Instagram. You open your Instagram. Are we going to be opening with the same IP address?
If you're connected to that internet, you will.
So that means your device and my device will practically be using that particular IP, right?
Yeah.
So when somebody now comes and said, you are the person that used your phone to open your own account and my own account, do you think that person is accusing you?
Now, let me now
Wait,
correct you
now
there.
answer
Don't
now.
forget.
The sniper, please let me respond to this question
No go
very
there.
quickly.
Answer.
Top movie.
Una
Let me
go
ask, when your phone, for example, is with you and you log into Instagram, and I come to meet you and collect your phone and use your phone to log into my Instagram and make a post, will it show the same IP address or not? Top movie
Come again.
answer.
I didn't get you. I didn't get you.
When, for example, let's say I know you from somewhere, right? And you use your phone to log into Instagram, make a post, and then I say, please, let me also use your phone to log into my Instagram and make a post. Will it show the same IP address or not?
Of course.
Certainly to show.
Good. So there is probability that it is possible that Iyabo Ojo and Wumi use the same phone, and there is probability that it is not this, maybe just the way you analyze your own, that maybe you connected the Wi-Fi, and that's why the IP address is showing. Now that is where you get the definition of reasonable cause. Is there something for you to suspect the possibility of
now
it? That is where you come to
now you're coming
reasonable
back.
cause.
You are coming back.
Exactly.
And
You
where
are
there is
coming
a
back.
reasonable cause, where there is a
You are
reasonable
coming back
cause,
to where I
you
was.
see this as investigation
Can I quickly say
activity.
something?
You
That
guys
is my
are just,
point.
you guys
Amen.
are not,
That
you
is
guys are
my
not happy
point.
with VDM
When VDM
because
is making those
the
kind
whole
of comments,
process
you guys
direct.
should
Listen.
understand that it's coming from a place of hate.
Listen.
And he's not certain about
not
it. So
That is not true.
Thank God
That
you
is
said
not true.
probability.
That is not true.
And we are not supposed to be working with
It
probability.
is you
We
guys
should be
that are
certain.
hating on VDM because the issue has to do with
That is my
Iyabo Ojo
point.
and
Let's work with
Wunmi.
certainty,
Look,
not uncertainty.
It does
Amen,
not
can I
have to do
quickly
with
say
Wunmi.
something,
Go back to
Amen?
VDM's post and you will see other posts where he's helping other people on other cases and he's giving details of where these persons are, including the ones that are not within Nigeria.
Amen.
Why
See
have
this
you
tech-
not gone
this tech
out there to
things. Forget
criticize
it.
that? But because of this has to do with Wunmi and Mohbad's case, that is why you people are coming up with all this. That's just the truth.
Okay, can we let TSL talk, please?
Can I say something? Ame actually just said what I was about to say. The problem here is because the IP address, it was operated on the same device. That is where the problem is. That is where the suspicion is.